Welcome, today in front of me Vivo Y76 5G, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first we should go into the Play Store application, and after that click here on the search pool and enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just click here to open the app and tap to enable in settings. Near the green Apple keyboard, click once on the switcher here, tap OK and again OK. After that, just go back and click here to the switch input method and switch your keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. And now, as can you see, the process is finished, and we'll go somewhere, for example here into the app search, to see the look of our new device keyboard. And as can you see, this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as they all of these emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.